Good morning to everyone. See, today we will discuss about the trigonometry identities. In basic, what identities means is to discuss about the two way of part. One is algebraic identities, second one trigonometry identities. What's algebraic identities? We know that you are studying in the previous classes in algebraic identities. For example, here x square minus 9 is equal to x plus 3 into x minus 3. This is one algebraic identities. Now, put x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1. Here that is x equal to 1 means minus 8. Here that is a 4. And next minus 2. That is minus x equal to minus 8. Is clear? So, the above identities satisfy all the values of x. Okay, you satisfy all the values of x. Therefore, this identities is a algebraic identities. It's clear. Same way concept trigonometry identities. Now we will discuss about that. In this video, discuss about the trigonometry identities. Same way definitions on equations involving the trigonometry ratios. Okay, on any equations involve the trigonometry ratios of an angles. Say I will choose the theta. Okay, is said to be trigonometry identity means if it is satisfied all the values of theta for which the given trigonometry ratios are defined. Okay, so any equation the trigonometry ratio will come means the trigonometry equation, but it will satisfy all the values of theta, that is trigonometry identities. Okay, for example, here cos squared theta minus 1 by 2 cos theta. So, we take cos theta into cos theta minus 1 by 2. This is algebraic, this is trigonometry identities. This identities, in this identities, I will put theta is equal to 0. Okay, put theta is equal to 0. Here what's the meaning? Cos 0. Cos 0 value 1. Minus again cos 0 value 1. Here 1 by 2. Similarly, cos 0 value 1. Next to 1 minus 1 by 2. That is simplified. 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Here, one trigonometry identities to satisfy all the values of theta. I will example put theta is equal to 0. Again, you will put theta is equal to many different values of theta. We get is satisfy the given trigonometry identities. Okay, so this is the definition of trigonometry identities. Now, we will discuss about the three important concept of trigonometry identities. This formula is very useful in your life, throughout your life. Okay, first theorem, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Second one, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Third one, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. These are three important trigonometry identities. So you fully thorough these identities. What's the first identity? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Next 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Third one, 1 plus cos square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. This is a very important trigonometry identities. Now I know that. Okay, same way, here one right angle triangle. We know that one right angle triangle. Okay, here A, B, C. Here I will choose angle of A is equal to theta. But here opposite side, adjacent side, hypotenuse. We know that familiar. So now, using the Pythagoras theorem, what are conclusions? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. We know the definitions. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Is clear? Now, the entire equations, okay, I will divide it. Okay, the first one I have to do that. The entire equation, I will divide it AC square. Okay, entire equations. I will divide AC square. Here I will divide the AC square. That is AC square by AC square. Here again AB by AC the whole square. I will take the whole square. Next BC by AC the whole square. Now just to cancel, remaining one is equal to here AB by AC the whole square plus BC by AC the whole square. So just to think about AB by AC. AB by AC. That's the mean cos theta. AB. What's the cos theta formula? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here adjacent side AB. Here hypotenuse is AC. Here cos square cos theta the whole square. That's clear. Plus BC by AC. Here BC by AC. That's having sin theta. It's opposite side by hypotenuse. Over here sin theta. Okay. The rest is the whole square. This is simple. That is what are conclusions here? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is the first trigonometry identities. Okay, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sometimes the above equations, okay, that is the same equations, okay, small you will change. What such small you will change? Not. Okay, here 1 plus cos square theta is equal to, you will change 1 plus, sorry, here the above equations, okay, here cos sin square theta, I will assume that first one, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Is clear? Similarly, okay, cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. This is the formula. Okay? Understood? The above equation is simplified. The two concepts. So you first you follow this concept only. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So the above equation is simplified. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Again, cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Is clear? Next, same way, second one proof. Okay, same using the Pythagoras theorem. Once more, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Is clear? AC square plus BC square. Same the given equation. I divided the equation of AB. Okay, that is divided of AB square, the entire equation. About what are conclusions? AC by AB the whole square is equal to again AB square. Okay, by AB the whole square plus BC by AB the whole square. Is clear? So AC by AB. Here AC. Okay, hypotenuse side by AB. So hypotenuse side by adjacent side. What formula? Secant theta. Is clear? But here the ratio secant theta the whole square. Is equal to here cancel. Remain 1. Again plus BC by AB. BC by AB. What's the trigonometric ratio? Tan theta. Okay, opposite side by adjacent side. Over here, tan theta the whole square. Okay, that's all. What are conclusions? This meaning of that is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. This is one way formula. Okay, same the above equations. Here you will convert minus 1, you will change, here one change, no problem. Anyway, you got multiple different way of concept. Okay. Next, otherwise, here there is not same way. Tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. I will change. Okay. The second one, here secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to value of 1. Okay, small you will change, but you will thorough that one formula. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. First you will thorough that concept. Next, third one, same Pythagoras theorem concept. Okay, AC square plus AB is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, same the entire equation are divided by BC. Okay. Again, that is AC by BCD whole square is equal to AB by BCD whole square plus BC by BC the whole square. Okay. Now AC by BC. AC by BC. What formula? Hypotenuse by opposite side. This is cosecant theta. What are conclusions? Here cosecant square theta is equal to here AB by BC. AB by BC. Adjacent square opposite. That's mean cot theta. Over here cot square theta. Square. Next the values of the 1. What a conclusion? That is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to what a conclusions? Cosecant square theta. Same way, note the above equation I will change. Okay. Same here the first point cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. We will change the formula, or again I will change cot square theta minus cosecant square theta is equal to 1. First one, but you allow the that formula. 1 plus cos square theta is equal to secant square theta. Again 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square. Again 1 plus cos square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. So your important 3 trigonometry identities. The 3 important trigonometry identities. First you thoroughly, okay. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. 1 plus cos square theta is equal to cosecant theta. Cosecant square theta. You thorough anytime in your mind that the particular formulas. Okay. So next video, the about trigonometry identities concept based on the problems you would solve. But in this trigonometry identities concept based, compulsory in every board examinations. Okay, many times you will come to 4 mark questions. Okay, the above concept based on the problems we will discuss about the next video. Thank you, children.